Hi my good people, this is your guy Paul, and today we are in Kitengela KAG area, 2.9 kilometers of the highway. And now this is the size of a plot. People have been asking me, Paul, what is the actual size of a plot? Actual size of a plot ni kama hii niliuzia huyu client, unaona hapa, that is 50 by 100. This is the actual size of one plot. And mchanga, watu wananiuliza what type of soil is there. In Kitengela and Mejare Kajiado, we normally have cotton soil, black cotton soil. I know it's not the best, but it is what it is. It is what is available on the ground. But I can bet to you it is so easy. It is so easy to do excavation. Ile shimo amefunika. I would have shown you a person here mwenye amefanya excavation, niwaonyeshe that cotton soil, it's just 1 feet. 1 feet of excavation, unafikia the solid maram or the hii yenye inatengeneza gypsum. So msiogope, mkuje, tumesema you can pay in installments. Unawekelea ka deposit ni ka 50 ama ka 100. Balance unalipa na mwaka moja, interest free. Na kupeleka site visit kila siku Monday to Saturday saa 4 asubuhi. Alafu as we say, number kwa bio. You gotta call me and I'll take you to the site.